Hey, what is up guys, Chris here, and today we're trying something else. Yesterday was a fail vlog. I'm not doing daily vlogs, but I decided today to try and do something new. Maybe we can find a better spot than yesterday. So today we're gonna try to reach high altitudes, not like Everest or Mount Fuji, but we're trying to find some high altitude and try to shoot the city from above. Maybe we can find great compositions and stuff like that. I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about something on the road. I'm not gonna hold you for the entire trip. It's probably like 20-25 minutes, maybe more, depending on the traffic. But hopefully you guys are gonna be with me and you're enjoying these vlogs more than other talking heads videos. Alrighty then, how can I entertain you today? Well, let me first tell you how great it is to live in California. Well, it's not that great, but at least not here in this northern part of the California, because we're very close to Silicon Valley and everything is super expensive. And I don't complain. The weather, it's nice, the views and the landscapes are beautiful. People not so much, and I don't want to piss everyone, but I kind of encounter all kinds of crazy people around here, and they're not very sociable, because you don't feel the same thing that you're feeling in the south. I lived for like a year or so in North Carolina, and I believe that those guys there, everyone was nice and warm, and you had a lot of people welcome you in everything that you're doing. Even if you're going to shopping and all that stuff, they will be very nice with you, and they will interact and ask you a lot of questions. Around here it's totally different. People are more cold, and they only care about themselves, their jobs, and I think that the life is moving faster around here. So that's pretty much it. I really do enjoy California, as you probably know already if you're subscribing to this channel, or if you already subscribe. I am from San Jose. I'm actually from Romania, but now I'm living in San Jose, which is considered the capital of Silicon Valley. So probably that's why. It wasn't like a choice to move here. We were forced to move here because my wife found another job, a better job here. So we're living in South San Jose. Like I said, I'm happy with what's going on around here. There are a lot of things to shoot. I do not have the same amount of clients that I used to have, because probably people are already established. I mean, photographers are already established here, and we don't have that much of a network. We're just only 2 years around here, and I'm not sure if we're gonna stay here, but nonetheless I really like the area. If you wanna, if you're a photographer and if you end up being around here, just go ahead and explore for a day or two. There are a lot of stuff around, including the Napa Valley and San Francisco, with all the things that you can shoot there. So that's my California. I am not very happy with what I get, but still I'm trying to get used with everything around here. Hopefully it's gonna be better after 3-4 years, if we end up being here for that long. I forgot to tell you, I'm sorry for the sound. We're driving on these roads, a little bit rough, the cement and whatever they put on the yeah, and that's how the A7III fell from my dashboard. Sorry for the interruption, guys. Hopefully it's still good. The middle of the street, and now he doesn't know what to do. Oh, and another thing about California that I wanted to tell you, drivers around here are kind of, I don't know, they seem slow, not in terms of speed, but in terms of visualizing the whole area, and you know, getting an idea of what to do on the street and stuff like that. It's called, I think it's called traffic and whatever, driving experience. They don't seem to have it, probably because most of the people around here are young people, people who are you know, moving here for jobs, or you know, going to school and stuff like that. We just reached our destination. I'm gonna show you around a little bit. Let me open this a little bit. So this is where we are. Sorry for the shaking. I'm holding the A7III. I know that image stabilization is good, but I think it's still shaky. So this windy roads, this is a park, like I said, it's called Almaden Quicksilver County Park. For those of you who wanna come here and, you know, check this out, it seems very, very nice. It's my first time here, so we'll see. Apparently this is a private road. I was preoccupied filming, and I didn't realize. Back, and we have people on the horses. We have riders, horse riders around here. See? Oh my God! And look at that. Look at that beauty. Yep, I just parked. As you can tell, we have a spot here. I'm thinking about making a composition with that. Like I said, I'm not a very good landscape photographer, but I'm trying, and I'm hopefully you know, becoming better and better every day. So let's get out and find a trail and find something to shoot. We took it out. This is gonna work. Yeah, the monster. A7III, a lot of resolution. So what we have here, I'm gonna show you right now. It's a house in the middle of the hill. This one is around here somewhere. So I'm trying to get this one in a good composition. It's not easy, but you know, maybe we can get something. Unfortunately, there are no good leading lines. I ended up trying the leading lines from the trees, so it's a little bit different, but I think it works. Check it out. I think we should go on the other side. There you go. Try to shoot those houses because they look all straight and, you know, like cookie cutters on a hill, which is very unusual. We also have a beautiful, I think it's a hawk. I might put the 70-200 and try to get a good composition. I have to put the 70-200 on. I ended up shooting these eagles or hawks because I can't tell if they're just contre-jour, and I'm not sure what they are, but by the span of their wings they look like hawks. We're gonna see soon. Let's find out. Guess what? They're gone now. There's some beautiful houses with orange roofs down in the back. Also, we have this lonely tree here that I'm thinking about shooting. So let's see. We have some on this side here as well. Hopefully you can see them. There you go. And look at that one over there. Oh my God, it's creepy. We're on the top of this little hill. This is my friend. It's very close to me now. I think he is trying to say go away, find your own spot. Now let's talk a little bit about this 70-200 GM. Does it live up to its reputation? I think it does. It's a very sharp lens, super smooth, very reliable autofocus, and very fast. And I really enjoyed it. I have it for 6 months now, something like that. I used to shoot with a 135 manual, but I said, why not? You know, everybody's using a 70-200, so why not me? For landscape, for event, portraits, especially, it's a beautiful lens, and the fact that it provides this lock focus buttons on the side, you can assign them to eye autofocus and never miss focus on an eye on a portrait or something like that. That's great. So guys, that was pretty much it for today. Hopefully you enjoy these kind of small short vlogs. I'm gonna, you know, move around a little bit here and see what I can find. If I can find something special, I will probably put it somewhere in this video. So you guys stay cool, go ahead and travel and hike and do whatever you think it's nice for you. Have a great year, like I said, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.